In this video, we will review how to reference a peak to a specific position like an NMR solvent. Begin by choosing the Analysis tab, Set Reference, to launch the Set Reference dialog. My NMR solvent is located at 7.19 ppm. I'm going to double-click on this peak. You might have noticed that where I clicked on the NMR spectrum is now displayed as current value. Enter in the value of your desired reference point. For me, that's 7.26 ppm. Click OK to accept the changes. And that is how you reference a peak to any position such as an NMR solvent.